Hello and welcome to Flutter Android and iOS photo sharing application with Firebase as backend. So in this course you will learn how to develop your own photo sharing application just like Pinterest. So this is our login page. Then if the user has not an account, then of course the user can click on create account, and this is the sign up page, or you can say the registration page. So the user has to provide the following information. So let's create a new user quickly. You can capture image with phone camera, okay, which will open up the phone camera as you can see here, and also you can choose image from the gallery. So let's choose an image from the gallery. I'm going to create account for Peter Parker. You can crop the image, okay, how much you want. The ratio, you can set the image by ratio. Since we are setting the profile picture, so we will go with 1:1 crop. Okay, so let's crop this image, and here you can see. Then we have to provide now after providing the information, you have to simply click on the create account button. Whenever your account is created successfully, then you are redirected to the home screen where you see the different images, okay, millions of images from millions of different users, or you can say different photographers. You can also become a photographer, and you can upload your own images also, as you can see these buttons. Okay, so here you can see we have different kind of photographer. For example, if I want to check this image, then I will simply click on it, and this is the complete image. This is the owner information, and this is the owner profile picture, and the owner profile name is Bird's Life with John. Okay, so John is the person who is basically uploaded this image. Okay, the profile name of John is Bird's Life with John. Here is the time and date, that is on which time and date this specific image has been uploaded into our photo sharing application. And here is the download number, that is how much users or how much other people has downloaded this image till now. For example, notice the number. Okay, if I download this image, click on the download button, image saved to gallery, and now if I come back here, then here you can see the number has changed to 79 because I have just downloaded this image now. So now if I go back to my gallery, then you will see that that image has been downloaded, as you can see here. Okay, so now let's go back, and we have many other photographers, or you can say many other users who have uploaded images. For example, if I check this one, then here you can see the owner information is Sea Life by Rita. So this is Rita profile image, and this is the image which is uploaded by Rita, and this is the download number, and you can of course download it. Similarly, we have line images. For example, if I check this one, then this is the Line Whisper profile. Okay, that is Line Whisper uploaded this specific image, and it belongs to them, that person, and only one person has downloaded this specific image. So we have different kind of animals images, different kind of user has uploaded different kind of images: sea life images, the birds images, the cheetah images, cats images. For example, if I open this one, then this one is uploaded by the profile, the person, or you can say the profile name is Peter the cat. Okay, so this cat name is Peter, and this is uploaded by the person who managed this account, Peter the cat. And here is the total number of downloads for this image, and this is the Peter the cat profile image. So we have different kind of profiles. For example, this image belongs to Johnny Depp. Okay, this account is maintained by Johnny Depp fans, let's say, and this is the total number of downloads. This is the grid view. Now you can also change this view to a list view. If you click here, then it will change the view to a list, and you will see this like in Instagram you see, or in Pinterest. Okay, this is the list view, and alongside with the images, now you can see the profile image of that person who is managed this account, and then the profile name of that person, as you can see here. So if we want to go back to the grid view, then we have to click here, double click here, and it will change it back to the grid view. You can also upload your own images as well. For example, if you want to become a photographer, then you can start uploading your images. For example, I will simply click here on this camera button. Okay, you can capture image with phone camera, or you can choose with your gallery. So let me just quickly select an image from the gallery. Let's upload this one. Okay, you can crop that according to your need, and then once you crop it, then simply click this tick button, and now that image is selected. So if we click on this button, it will upload the new image, and now you will see it, the image has been uploaded successfully. Okay, if I open it, then you will see the owner information, which is my profile. Okay, uploaded by Peter. This is the time and date, and the download is 0 because this is just a new image and which is not yet downloaded by any person. So here we have also the delete button. Since this is my image, so I will see the delete button where I can delete this image. Now first of all, if you go back, then here you can see this profile. I can also go to my profile, and from my profile I can change my name and my profile image. So let's say if I want to change my profile image, I will simply click here. So you can choose image with camera, or you can pick an image from the gallery. Let's pick an image from the gallery, and let's change my profile image to this bird's image. Okay, so I will crop the image, and my image is updated successfully. So now if I go back and if I show you that image, then it will also change my profile image. Okay, as you can see here, because now my profile image has been updated. So that is really cool and really nice. You can also update your profile name. For example, if I write here, okay, let's say Peter, or let's say my name is now John Peter Doy. Okay, just for the testing purposes, just to show you guys, I click on save. Now if I come here, then here you can see John Peter Doy, and if I come here and if I show you my post, or you can say my wallpaper which I just uploaded, then here you can see the name has also been updated. Let's delete this. So that image has been deleted successfully. You can also search for different profiles, different photographers, or you can say different user profiles who uploaded different images. For example, if I click on this search button, and let's say I want to search for a person who upload birds images, so I will simply write here birds, and here you can see this is the profile of the person John, and whose profile name is Birds Life with John. So if I click here, then it will show me all the images which belongs to this profile Birds Life with John. Here you can see at the top, and if I scroll here in front of you, then here you can see these are all the images which belongs to Birds Life with John profile. So that is really cool and really nice. You can also search for other, like for example, if I want to search for any celebrity, okay, let's say I'm searching for Johnny Depp, so I will simply write the name Johnny spelling, Johnny, okay, Johnny, and here you can see the profile Johnny Depp. So if I click on it, then I will see all the images which belongs to Johnny Depp profile. Okay, that is this person who is a photographer for Johnny Depp, let's say, or Johnny Depp fans. So here you can see all the images which belongs to Johnny Depp, and I can also see the information if I click on any wallpaper image. For example, let's search for other one, let's say Peter the cat. Okay, this one. So here I will see all the images which belongs to Peter the cat profile. Okay, so if you scroll, then here you will see all the images which belongs to Peter the cat profile. And let's say if I want to check the description of any image, then I will simply click on that, and here I will see the owner information, and you can download that or you can go back. So let's log out from the app, and let me show you. We can also, this is our login page. Let me just log into this account. This is my other account which I created in this photo sharing app. Password is 123456. Okay, so if I log in, then here you can see I am logged in successfully. Okay, this is the profile. And let's say I log out from the app. Let's say if I forgot password, so I will simply click here on the forgot password. Here we can reset. So let's say I forgot my password and I want to reset it. So here I have to provide my email. So after, when I provide my correct email, I will simply click on this send link button. So password reset email has been sent, as you can see here. So if I go to, then here you can see the first email which is just arrived now. Reset your password for project. Okay, this is our project name. And if I open it, hello, follow this link to reset your password, okay, for this email account, as you can see here. So if I click on this link, you have to just click on this link. So if I click on it, then here we have to provide a new password. So I'm going to provide a new password. This time I'm going to provide 9@7654321, from 9 to 1. So if I click on save, so my new password has been changed, or you can say saved successfully. So now if I go back to the app and if I try to log in with an old password for my account, okay, then with the old password, which is from 1 to 6, it will not allow me to log in. Okay, the password is invalid or the user has changed password. Okay, it will show that error to you. So I have to provide my correct password, which is the new password which we just reset, okay, from 9 to 1. So if I click login, then only then it will allow me to log in. So I hope you will love this course, and we will develop it with the Flutter latest new version, and at the end of this course you will be able to make your own fully functional photo sharing application just like Pinterest.